Hi Maggie, I can still see you back there. Good morning, another day on the farm, and there's always something to learn. So in the morning, I turn on the drip lines. Look at all this beautiful mulch, by the way. I'm gonna probably gather more of that this afternoon to patch up all this area. It's pretty much sunscreen for the soil. It keeps it moist, it keeps it, moist, and pretty much bird protection. Those are the two main oh, what? Hi. You hear me talking? She doesn't like when I talk. When she hears me and she's not with me, she gets a little bit anxious. It's the same on the bike. If I sing, when she's in her trailer, she gets a little bit like, meh, meh, me. It's okay. I'm right here. So, yeah, more mulch today, but when I turn on the lines, I have to investigate where all the water is. And boom, right here, I noticed there was a bit of a drip so I patched that up. Actually, that seems to have done pretty well. I was gonna repair it with plastic right now, but I patched it up pretty good, so hopefully that'll build pressure along these lines and we want water to start coming out of here. I just saw corn sprouts. We have corn. We're gonna have corn stalks this tall. We live on a beautiful farm where all the animals can roam free, and Maggie chooses to sleep in a bundle of trash in the shade as close to the fence where I am as possible. I love you, girl. Rest up. Here, you want to check out our cilantro? See how big it is? Planted this about a week ago. Look at those sprouts. Ooh! Cilantro! Snack time. Bert's been working on our pizza oven and bread oven. Look at how cool it looks. That's all a new layer of clay mud that we just dig out of the dirt and mix with a little bit of cement. I just looked at Maggie in this golden hour lighting and I realized how fucking beautiful she is and the woman that she has transformed into in this present moment versus when I got her when she was obese and sick and lethargic and tired, and now she's a superhero. Look at her. She's jacked, she's got muscles popping out. Oh my god, she's so energetic, she's so happy, she's funny. I'm in love with her is what I'm saying. I'm in deep, deep, deep love with this being. She fills me up with love. All the way. All the way. Yes. I love you, Maggie, so much. What we have together is the coolest relationship I've ever explored in my life. All day, every day companionship of just awesomeness out here. Almost entirely mulched out in 24 hours. Maggie, give me a high five. Yeah, that's my girl. Her cut on her lip from my drone is almost fully healed. It makes me so happy to see it back to one uniform lip without a little marking. I'm sorry that I let you bite my drone, Maggie. I'll never do it again. I'm in charge of making tortillas tonight, and I decided to bless you, Maggie. I decided to experiment with something. We do just standard flour or corn tortillas every single night, and you've seen them, they're amazing. I decided to go crazy tonight, surprise the guys. We got cinnamon, paprika, salt, a little bit of lime, just craziness in there, and I'm gonna mash 2 bananas in. So they're really gonna be almost like pancakey sweet tortillas. Wow. The banana pancake tortillas are delicious. Much love, Dream Extreme, great dinner. Alejandro's taking me out of town tomorrow. It's gonna be fun.